Hello everyone and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today I hope that you are safe and sound and that you're ready for the next Paracord project. We're gonna make the rattlesnake, and it's done by the Weavers of Eternity, team from the Weavers of Eternity to be precise. And we're gonna start. I'm gonna take the brown cord and take the ends, find the center of it, like so. The full length of paracord we are using in this and every other tutorials are down in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Now when we find the center, we're gonna take the green one, and this is the important thing here. You will need to take the green, and from the end of brown we will do the green also, so like this. The green is here, the brown is here, and we can start. So create the twist like this, and the important thing is that this side of brown I'm gonna twist and head or turn from the back side here, and the green will be next to this brown and on top of this one here. So when we create this turning or this turn as you wish, we will simply form a bite here and make it pass through this loop here, as you can see, so like this, and simply pull this left side. So here we're creating the loop for our stop knot on the end of a bracelet. So the longer cord, let me just unzoom. This is the longer green cord. So here we have the brown cord, and it's the bracelet base, and the green one is also forming the base of today's bracelet. So here the length of our bracelet is up to here. So now we're gonna simply tie the cobra knot. So by doing this, we created our bracelet base or a core for today's project. So now we're gonna start. We're gonna take the longer green cord and we're gonna make it around into the gap between a second and the third cord here, like so. And from here we're gonna make it on top of the first cord, under the center cord, into the gap between second and the third here, and now we're gonna simply wrap it around the center cord and to the right. Pull it, make it tight, and continue. So from the right side, around the first strand of the green, under the inner cords, and to the left, and from the left side around into the gap between second and the third cord, And from here we're gonna make it around the center cord, like we are wrapping the center cord as well, and to the right side. And again around the right strand cord, under the center cord, and to the right, then into the gap between second and the third cord, around, through the back, and to the right. We're gonna undo the knot, the cover knot on the end here. And now with the left cord or the left strand and this right one, we're gonna create the cover knot. So the basic cover knot on top of those two cords, the brown on top of the green, from the back side through the loop on the right side, and from here pull it, secure it. So from here, simple diamond stop knot, twist the right strand and make it on top of the brown. And now the brown will go under the green and from the top into the gap between green and the brown, and from the back also in the gap between green and the brown, and we form the shape like a pretzel, as you can see here. And now from this side the brown gonna go again under the green, but this time next to the green cord here into the gap in the center, like so. And the green gonna go under, around, and under, onto the next brown cord into the center here. And we are finished. Today's project is done. I hope you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course don't forget, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post the new tutorial. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.